Hey guys, I just want to give you a quick overview on how to install Ubuntu operating system with the full screen. This is the easier way. Once that's done forever. You're not going to worry about having to run commands or install additional packages to have the full screen. This is going to be the easier way. Get to begin. Give a name to your machine, whatever name you choose. That's it. Attach the image file, which is right here. Once you're done, that's it for the session. Go ahead and click next, and then give a name to whatever username you choose. That's fine. Type in your password and go ahead and click on guest addition. This is very important and it's going to help you in the process. The guest addition going to install additional packages with the operating system, and going to help in the process of having your machine displays with full screen. So go ahead and click on that and select that. That's it for the session. Click next. And then the base memory is very important to have that increase to 4096, and the processors have that increase to maybe 2 or 3, but in this case for me I am choosing 4. And once you're done, go ahead and click next. And for the disk size, go ahead and increase that to 125. That will help you in the process as well. Once you're done with that, click next. Go ahead and review what all of the information you have included, and make sure everything is right. If not, you can click the back button to have whatever information you left behind included. And once you're done with your review, go ahead and click finish. That's it. And it's going to boot up the operating system. It will take maybe about 6 to 10 minutes. It's going to be a long process. I'm going to pause the video, and once that's done, I'm going to share so you can see the result. Be back in a few minutes. So the installation is still running. As you can see, the current screen is not displayed in full view. Once the installation is done, that will automatically change everything. So yeah, I'll be back quickly. Hi guys, so the installation is complete. Now let's see what the result might be like. Okay, good. So now we are on the login page. Go ahead and log in with my password that I created, which will be something like that. Okay, so this is what the screen looked like at the moment. But the moment I try to minimize, you are going to see the difference. So this is amazing. Now you can see the full screen. We have the full screen displays right there. So perfect. So this is how you install the Ubuntu operating system on the virtual machine without having to run several different commands for full displays. Now we have all the full displays we want. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.